Want to earn $500 per day utilizing Google Docs? Step number 1. I'll be revealing the top 2 platforms that are paying people to use Google Docs. Step number 2. I'll show you the easiest way to get a payout today. So make sure to stick all the way through now. If we open up Google Docs right here, there's a special little tool here that will earn you money. Okay, it will earn you money on autopilot. Now, as we can see, this is a document and there are a few words that are misspelled because they have a red line under them. Well, what Google Doc has, it has a grammar corrector, a spell checker, proofreading tool. So we go to tools, spellings and grammar spelling and grammar check, and it will automatically detect wrong spellings and punctuations. So best part is it is totally free to use. So this is a free way and a free tool to proofread Google documents. Now there are 2 websites that I am about to show you that will pay you to proofread Google documents, and you could utilize this tool that I just showed you to do it for free and fast. So the very first site we are going to go is proofreadingservices.com. This is one of the biggest site on